Hello everyone and welcome to this video, how to grow your channel to 100 subscribers. Now I must say getting to 100 subscribers is the hardest. I have managed to do it on several channels now, but on each one it was very hard, even knowing these tips and tricks. But it does speed up the process. Now some of these may seem simple and you may think, oh, I already know that. But sometimes, because these are so simple, you overlook them. The first and most important tip is share your video on every social media you have. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, status, tweet. Get your video out there and get your content out there. And not only that is, don't feel afraid, don't feel like you're spamming it, but your friends are obviously your friend for a reason. They must like you. Surely they will like your videos and your content also. So you could write them a nice little message just like and say, hey there, guess what? I've got a YouTube channel and I've just uploaded a video and I really want to give this a go. And if you're delivering value to the viewer and they're saying that you're passionate, then guess what? They're going to give a like on that video. They may give a comment and subscribe. That's what you want. With every video, you want to think of it as, this person is going to be my potential subscriber. So get sharing your videos on social media. Now the second step and second tip is YouTube videos. We've got to focus on the videos, tags, titles and description. We've heard it all before. YouTube SEO, search engine optimization. This is how you have found this video and how everyone that is searching how to do this, how to do that, find that video. So when you have a key phrase in the title, description and tags, now that will allow that video to rank higher. So imagine we have a whole description with 7 to 15 to even 20 keywords for that phrase that your video is about, and not only that, we jump into the tags and we have 25 to 30 tags exactly of what people are searching, all to do with that video. And guess what? When they land on your content, if you deliver to them exactly what they're looking for and exactly what they've typed in, guess what? They're given a like on that video and they will subscribe. And if you have an end screen, they will go to your other videos. And this is how you generate views onto that video and onto more videos. And what also does that do? Watch time. That will increase your YouTube watch time, and they will hit that subscribe button and then they will share it to their friends. So that is the second tip. Now the third tip is having a beautiful, amazing, organized channel. Profile pictures and channel art go way beyond just looking nice. First of all, let's talk about that. Get it out of the way. Looks beautiful, it looks nice. People think, you know what? That's a professional channel, that's attractive, he's putting effort in. Right, I'm going to subscribe. But what about these people that have just come across your channel and they're just looking, they haven't subscribed yet, and you have a picture of a flag up or an island or just blue? They don't know what your channel's about. Maybe they think travel, or maybe they think, oh, he likes art. You want to show them what you're about. So if you're a gamer, you want to have a gaming console, a gaming character, a PS4, an Xbox, a controller, and you want to make sure that you have your channel name and underneath it you put gaming. And if you do vlogs, well, show yourself with a vlogging camera, and outside and put the vlogging camera logo and say vlogs, fitness, challenges, whatever you do. I would say if you've got a channel, most times you can narrow it down to 3 topics. So put them 3 sub niches or subcategories under your title, and these are the 3 main tips. Now if you're brand new here and this is the first video you've ever seen of me, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this and a wide variety on YouTube tricks, tips and advice on how to increase your subscribers and views. And as always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.